Hey everyone! If you're on a journey to stay fit and healthy, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing 8 foods that contain almost 0 calories. Yep, you heard it right. Let's dive right in. First up, we have celery. This crunchy snack is about 95% water and packed with fiber, making it a perfect low-calorie munchie. Next, let's talk about cucumbers. They're super hydrating and great for your skin. Plus, they're only about 16 calories per cup. Now on to zucchini. This versatile veggie can be spiralized into noodles or grilled as a side dish. It's light and only about 19 calories per cup. Speaking of veggies, let's not forget spinach. It's nutrient-dense and only around 7 calories per cup. Perfect for salads and smoothies. How about some fruits? Watermelon is a sweet treat that's low in calories and high in vitamins. At just 30 calories per cup, you can indulge without guilt. Another great option is strawberries. Rich in antioxidants and roughly 50 calories per cup, they're great for satisfying your sweet tooth. Next, let's spice things up with radishes. These little guys are only about 16 calories per cup and add a nice peppery kick to your dishes. And finally, mushrooms. They're incredibly versatile and only about 15 calories per cup. You can toss them in salads, stir-fries, or even grill them, so there you have it. 8 amazing foods that are nearly calorie-free but loaded with nutrients. Incorporate these into your diet to stay on track with your health goals. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy, everyone.